Does that work?
Officially the smallest mobile phone in the world. Meet the Zanko Tiny T1.
I feel like it's a USB stick.
Hello?
This fully functioning talk and text mobile phone is unbelievably tiny. It's the must-have novelty gift for any gadget lover. It's smaller than your thumb, it's lighter than a coin, and it is ridiculously cute. The first time you see it, you can't believe it exists. Your second thought is, does it work? Use the Tiny T1 as a backup or emergency phone that you can keep in your bag, pocket or glove compartment. You can travel light with the world's smallest mobile phone, and it's ideal for joggers, runners, walkers, cyclists, or if you're into extreme sports. Whether you're looking for a backup for safety on a night out, or maybe your smartphone doesn't fit your look, the Zanko Tiny T1 has you covered. Fit the Zanko Tiny T1 into your festival bag, so there's no worries about losing your expensive smartphone. Looking for a conversation starter? The world's smallest phone breaks the ice in any situation. You can save up to 300 numbers, make and receive calls, and even text. Be a part of the tiny revolution and be the first among your friends to own a piece of history.
Our mission is to help people take back the outdoors from insects, and we want to do that in a different way. Mosquitoes are actually a growing problem. There's new diseases, there's Zika, there's dengue, there's West Nile. The season for mosquitoes is getting longer and longer, and they just get in the way of spending time outdoors, enjoying the activities that each of us love, and spending time with friends and family in our backyard. Sprays and repellents that you put on your skin just get in the way of outdoor fun. So Radius is a new and better way to fight mosquitoes. You just turn it on and mosquitoes are gone.
The Radius device is so easy to use. It's push button simple. Literally one button on the front of the device. You push that to turn it on. You instantly see the light come on, and that lets you know that the device is active and working. Radius uses an EPA-approved active ingredient that is based on a naturally occurring repellent found in the chrysanthemum flower. And our scientists have worked on a formula that can be activated at a lower temperature, which enables us to use a rechargeable lithium-ion battery in order to heat and activate the repellent, creating the zone of protection. This is the first time that battery power technology has been combined with this active ingredient.
I love the refill of the system. To deliver a simple refill system, it had to last a long time, longer than any of the products that are out there. What we delivered was an incredibly easy to use, easy to replace refill process. It was definitely a great moment for us when we were first able to put the product out in the field and see that everything that we knew on paper, hypothetically, was supposed to work actually did work. Seeing that yes, this in fact was working and delivering the type of mosquito protection that we not only held ourselves to, but also that we knew consumers would expect from us the first time they tried the product.
We've been through several rounds of prototype testing on Radius, and we do that before we even begin to think about mass production. Our test facility in Georgia has put Radius through its paces. In fact, they're seeing reductions in mosquito pressure amongst the best they've ever seen. We think Radius is a perfect fit for Kickstarter. It's a novel, new, and different way to fight mosquitoes, and it's really a blend of the most advanced digital technology with cutting-edge repellent formulation. Paired together, that gives you a solution to fighting mosquitoes that simply hasn't existed before.
We're really close to development. We have everything about the product designed, we have the approval from the EPA. Now we just need some help with funds to do our first production run. So to our Kickstarter backers, we can promise on-time delivery of an area mosquito repellent solution that actually works.
Radius is convenient, it's portable, you can take it with you anywhere, and because it's lithium-ion powered, you can even take it on a plane. So your next trip or adventure destination, you can take Radius with you.
This is Gameshell. It's a game console that's modular, portable, and open source. So you can do all kinds of cool stuff. Take Jackie, for example.
Hi.
She uses it to play indie games, like the classic platformer Cave Story. And with Gameshell's expandable memory slot, she can download thousands of more titles online. When Jackie's feeling nostalgic, she can also run emulators on her Gameshell. Unlike a slippery touchscreen, the classic controller layout is perfect for retro gaming. Or you could be like Tom. He likes to mod his games, like adding in cheat codes or new character models. He's even working on developing his own game for Gameshell.
It's a prequel to Tetris.
You can use Python, C, Lisp, or any other language. And for makers like William, Gameshell is an all-in-one dev kit that runs GNU Linux. Each kit comes with an ARM-based dev board, an Arduino-compatible programmable keypad, a 2.7-inch screen, a 1050 mAh battery, and a stereo speaker. You can choose from 6 different case colors, and with our STL file, you can even 3D print your own. With Gameshell's plug-and-play modules, Will doesn't waste any time searching for compatible parts. Everything just works right out of the box. Then he just writes his code on PC or Mac, and he can upload it wirelessly through a Wi-Fi connection. Gameshell can become a Wi-Fi speaker, a controller for your robot, a smart home remote, and even an 8-bit synthesizer. The possibilities are endless. From the beginnings of gaming to the future of hardware, Gameshell is with you wherever you want to go.
Hello Kickstarter, my name is Nils. 3 years ago, my team and I came to you with an idea. We wanted to let you know your home was safe, without invasive cameras or complex security systems. That's why we designed Point. Thanks to you, Point is now used by thousands of people across the world. Today, we're launching the next generation. We've learned from our community, and we've seen how families and neighbors come together when the unexpected happens. That's why the new Point is a full home alarm designed for collaboration. We think you'll love it.
Meet Susan, Bob, and Judy Anderson, and their neighbour Alex. This is their home with Point. Point can sense smoke. Point can sense noise. Point can sense movement. Traditional alarm systems rely on many individual devices and sensors. Point combines sound, motion, and environmental sensors in one device. Through machine learning, it identifies what's happening in the environment, much like a brain. When Point detects something important, a message is sent to a group of people chosen by you, so you can help each other out when needed.
Point is now a serious business, and the team behind it is growing. After more than a year of hard work, we're just a few months away from shipping. The new Point will come with a subscription when it hits retail, but we want to offer you something special. All Kickstarter backers, new and old, will get free lifetime service. So please support us and join us on our journey.